That's happening, guys. Super excited here. ResolveCon 2022 is coming up. Leaving tomorrow, getting on a plane, flying out. But I was just running through my last practice round here. Practiced this thing a bunch of times. I hope it comes out good for you. I think it will. I think it will. We'll learn some audio stuff and hopefully get the audio in your video sounding better. And I know I'm on a GoPro. I know the audio's not good here. Hopefully we can make it good. Maybe we'll even do some videos about that. Making your GoPro audio better? How about that? Interested? Drop a comment down below. All right, well, we're going to be finishing up here and getting packed up because we're heading out to ResolveCon 2022 tomorrow. So that's it. Looking forward to seeing you guys there. All right, that's it. We're wrapped up. Got the camera packed, got clothes packed, all that kind of fun stuff. And we're going to be hitting the sack a couple hours here and then get up nice early, 4 a.m. Then after that, it's off to the airport and jump the plane, head on out west. And before you know it, we're going to be out there in Oregon, clear across the country, all the way on the other side of the U.S. for me. So really looking forward to it, excited. And hopefully, maybe I'll see you there. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. All right, that's it. Nice and early, 5 a.m. Packing her up. Got the camera bag here. Got our suitcase and off to the airport we go. Let's do this.
You've arrived.
All right, made it down to the airport here. Now we're gonna take the bus, head on over to the terminal and get on a plane, fly out to Oregon. Let's go. Good old Newark, New Jersey. Hitting up the bus stop here. We gotta wait for the bus because we're in the long-term parking over here. So take the bus back. We getting into the airport in no time. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Oh man, and that's a wrap on ResolveCon 2022. It is pouring here in Newark. It is cold. I'm going home, get some good sleep. ResolveCon 2022 was awesome. I can't wait for next year. Such a great time. See you guys later. Peace.